Dear students, welcome to the class. I hope you will be healthy and fine. We are going to solve exercise 2.6. Solve the following equations. First problem is 8x minus 3 upon 3x is equal to 2. Left hand side is looking like a rational number. It has numerator and denominator. So we can change right hand side into a rational number by writing 2 as 2 upon 1. So let's see the solution. 8x minus 3 upon 3x is equal to 2 can be written as 2 upon 1. Now we apply here cross multiplication method. So we can write here using cross multiplication. Cross multiplication. Cross multiplication, you can draw this cross sign and apply the method. 1 is multiplied by this term and 2 is multiplied by this term. So 1 is multiplied by 8x minus 3 and 2 is multiplied by 3x. 1 into 8x means 8x minus sign is here, so minus is here. 1 into 3, 1 is equal to 3 and 2 multiply 3x is equal to 6x. Now this is the very simple equation. You can transport 6x to left hand side, it becomes minus 6x, and minus 3 goes to the right hand side, it becomes plus 3 or 3. 8x minus 6x, it is 2x is equal to 3, or x is equal to, you can write 3 upon 2. Now we solve problem number 2. Here again we write 15 as 15 upon 1. 7 minus 6x is equal to 15 upon 1. Now we use cross multiplication method. So 1 is multiplied by 9x and 15 is multiplied by 7 minus 6x. 1 multiplied 9x means 9x, 15 multiplies 7. First 15 is multiplied 7, so 15 7 ja 105 minus 15 is multiplied 6x, so 15 6 ja 90 along with x. Now transport all x term, minus becomes here plus 90x is equal to 105. Minus 90 comes to the left hand side and becomes plus 90. So total 99x is equal to 105. So x is equal to 105 upon 99. We can simplify it by 3 reciting 3 3 are 9, 3 are 9 and 3 are 9, 3 5 are 15. Now it's the simplest form, so 35 upon 33 is the solution of this problem. Now solve the problem number 3. Here left hand side and right hand side both have numerator and denominator. So by direct cross multiplication method we can solve it. 9 multiplies z. Okay, 9 multiplies z is equal to 4 is multiplied by this term, means z plus 15. Okay, always write, if any expression has more than term, then you will write in bracket. So 9 multiplies z, it is 9z. 4 multiplies z means 4z plus 4 multiply 15, that will be the 60. 9z, we transport 4z left hand side, so minus 4z is equal to 60. 9z minus 4z, it is 5z is equal to 60 and z is equal to 60 upon 5, because 5 and between 5 and z there is multiplication sign. So 5 goes to the right hand side and comes to the denominator side. So 5 1 ja 5, 5 1 ja 5 and 5 2 ja 10. So z equal to 12. Now we will solve question number 4. That is 3y plus 4 upon 2 minus 6y equal minus 2 upon 5. So by cross multiplication method we apply here. So we see 5 is multiplied by cross multiplication. We can write here cross multiplication. 5 is multiplied by 3y plus 4. So 3y plus 4. I have told you if any term more than one term, then you will write in the bracket. Okay. Again 2 is multiplied, minus 2 is multiplied by 2 minus 6y. Okay. Distributivity 5 3 is 15 y plus 5 4 is 20 equal minus 2 minus, so minus 2 multiplied by 2, that is minus 4, minus and minus multiplied, so it becomes plus 2 6 is 12 y. Now transfer all y terms to the left hand side. 15y minus 12y equal to minus 4 and plus 20 goes right side, so it is minus 20. 15y minus 12y, that is 3y. As positive and positive becomes positive when we add them. So same rule is here, minus 4 and minus 20, minus sign will be here and they are added. So 4 and 20, 24. Only when we multiply two number having minus sign, then they becomes positive. For example, minus 4 multiply minus 5. So here minus sign and minus sign becomes positive. So 5 4 is 20. But when we add them, minus 4 and minus 5. So they are minus and added. So minus 9. Okay. 3y is equal to, so y is equal to minus 24 upon 3. 3 8 is 24 is equal to 8 minus 8 upon 1, or y is equal to minus 8 is the solution of this problem. Okay students, now we solve question number 5. Again we apply cross multiplication method and we multiply. Okay, 3 is multiplied by 7y plus 4, so we write it in the bracket. That is very important. Is equal to minus 4 multiplied by y plus 2. Again write y plus 2 in bracket. Otherwise you will not get your answer. 3 7 ja 21 plus 3 4 ja 12. Minus sign, minus 4 into y, minus 4y, minus plus it is minus 4 2 ja 8. Again 21y minus 5 is transporting to the left hand side, so it becomes plus 4y, or minus 8 is already here and minus plus 12 goes to the right hand side and becomes minus 12. 21 plus 4, so 25y, and again you can say what will be the number here, minus 20. Okay, very good. Y is equal to minus 20 upon 25. So you can simplify it by reciting the table 5 5 5 is 25, 5 4 is 20. Okay, y is equal to minus sign is here 4 upon 5. Okay, now we solve question number 6. Problem number 6 says the ages of Hari and Harry are in the ratio 5:7. 4 years from now, their ages will be 3:4. Find their present ages. As we see here, the ages in the ratio 5:7. So we let their ages, Hari and Harry, the ages of Hari will be 5x and the age of Harry will be 7x. So let the present age of Hari be 5x and the present age of Harry be 7x. Okay. Now let's see the what is the condition. 4 years from now. From now means after 4 years. After 4 years. Yeah. After 4 years. After 4 years, Hari's age will be 5x plus 4. Okay. And after 4 years, Harry's age will be 7x plus 4. Okay. And as per problem, what is the condition? As per problem, the ratio of their ages is now 3:4. So we write 5x plus 4 upon 7x plus 4, and the ratio is 3:4, means 3 upon 4. Okay, this is the situation now, and now we can solve it. Okay, by using cross multiplication method. 3 is multiplied by 7x plus 4. So 3 is multiplied by 7x plus 4 equal 4 is multiplied by 5x plus 4. You can see here. Don't forget the bracket. Okay. 3 7 ja 21x plus 3 4 ja 12 is equal to 5 into 4x is equal to 20x plus 4 4 ja 16. Okay. 21x minus 20x is equal to 16, and plus 12 goes right hand side and becomes minus. 21x minus 20x means 1x is equal to 4, or x is equal to 4. So we get x is equal to 4. Now we can find present age of Hari, that is 5x. So 5 into 4 is equal to 20, and the unit is years. And present age of Harry, it is 7x is equal to 7 into 4, that is 28 years. Okay. Now we are going to solve problem number 7. The problem is the denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator by 8. Underline it. And if the numerator is increased by 17, and the denominator is decreased by 1, the number obtained is 3 upon 2. Find the rational number. So we let the numerator, first we let the numerator x, because the denominator of a rational number is greater than, after than word, what is the term? Numerator. So after then term we let the, always we let that term. Okay. So let the numerator of the rational number be x. Okay. Then denominator is greater than by 8. Greater than means we add it. Then the denominator will be x plus 8. Okay. Now next condition, if the numerator is increased by 17, so after increasing numerator by 17, it will be x plus 17. Okay. And denominator is decreased by 1. Decreased means be subtracted. So after decreasing denominator by 1, it will be x plus 8. अभी कितना है? x plus 8 and decreased by 1 means x plus 8 minus 1. So it will be x plus 7. Okay. Then we see as per problem, what is the condition? The number obtained is 3/2. अब रेशनल नंबर जो है, यहां से हम देखें तो रेशनल नंबर क्या बन गया था? यहां से न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर में एक्स, न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर एक टर्म होती है रेशनल नंबर की. तो अभी हम फाइंड करना चाहते हैं कि क्या हो गया? नंबर ऑब्टेन 3/2. ओके. सो वी राइट हियर न्यूमरेटर and we write here denominator, and it is 3/2. So we write here numerator is x plus 17 and what is denominator? That is x plus 7. It is equal to 3/2. So by cross multiplication method, 3 multiply by x plus 7 and 2 is multiplied by x plus 17. Okay. 3x plus 3 7 is 21 is equal to 2x plus 2 into 17 34. Okay. 3x minus 2x is equal to 34 minus 21. 3x minus 2x, so x is equal to, और सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं इसको, 4 minus 1 3, 3 minus 2 1. So what is the value of x? It is 13. So if what will be the rational number? Required rational number. Rational number whose numerator is x, and whose denominator is x plus 8. So we put the value x is equal to 13. It will be the 13 upon 8. 3 plus 8 11, 1 1 2 or 3. 13 upon 13 1. So this is the solution of this problem, and this is the last problem of this exercise. Okay students, so this was the last problem. Okay, here is the a mistake. 13 plus 8, so it will be 13 upon 21. So this is the required rational number. Okay students, be healthy and be safe. Okay, thank you.